because Tay is taking me to this absolutely darling plant shop. What's the name of it, Tay?
Green Lady Gardens.
Green Lady Gardens. This is in Denver. And we're going sibling shopping because Tay already has lots of house plants and she wants to add to her collection. But this place is absolutely darling. And we're gonna go inside and see what kind of stuff is in. It's really, really cute. So let's go inside, Tay. Yeah, it's got great music here. And this is, Taylor and I were talking that it's kind of, we were calling it boho chic with retailer.
Yes.
And it's got fun hanging baskets. Of course, in my generation, it's got that kind of 70s vibe. But look at how cute. Don't you love the way the windows, which almost look like garage doors, but they've been painted turquoise. But I think what we're gonna focus on are some of these succulents because she's got a great copper tray. And we want didn't we say about 5 of them today?
Yeah, 4 to 5 of them.
4 to 5 of them to run. But so you guys, I've talked a lot. This is my daughter-in-law to be, Taylor, and they're getting married July 31st.
Yes.
But they have a wonderful loft apartment in downtown Denver. And they already have what they call their plant corner. They have absolutely fabulous light. It's a wonderful, wonderful space. And she's really been getting into house plants and mostly succulents, wouldn't you say, Taylor?
Yeah, low maintenance. We like
Low maintenance.
aloe veras.
Yeah, aloe veras. But I love it, you guys, because she and my son name all of their plants. And it's so fun. So I'm going to show you what it looks like once they get them back. I love the ferns too, Taylor.
There's a lot.
But are you wanting any larger ones at all? Yes. Yes, they've got some fiddly ferns here. But look at this cute store. Lots of Mexican pottery. It's got just a really, really fun, like I say, a boho chic vibe. Some cute pots over here. Really cute pots.
Yeah, these are fun.
So in their apartment, they've got kind of I would say a color thematic going with lots of turquoise pots.
Blue.
Yeah, and blues. And they picked that probably from that piece of artwork you've got behind it. Is that right, Taylor?
Yes.
Yeah, behind it. And so most of them are in that kind of green turquoise. These are cute, Taylor. Look at how cute these are.
Ones.
Those little hanging ones
Those
are really cute. And I wonder, it looks like, is this handmade pottery, do you think?
Yes, from local.
Yeah, from
Colorado
local
artists.
So this is in downtown Denver. Okay, so we're gonna do some more shopping and I will come back and let you know kind of. So where did that fiance of yours go? Did he leave? Because he's got very specific tastes about it too. I mean, look at all this fun pottery. Oh my gosh! Yeah, that's right there. In fact, this entire kind of section.
Yes.
Look at that cute giraffe. I'm not typically into kitsch, but that's pretty cute. So this is what we've got so far.
I think that's enough.
And Jamie really liked this Sansevieria.
Yeah, Jamie actually picked out
Yes,
this
Jamie picked out this
plant,
ensemble.
and then we
I think
love
that's-
this pot.
I think that's really, really fun. So,
It's basically like just.
so is he done? He's done shopping, Tay.
He found what he liked, and he's moving
Okay.
on.
They're always open.
Now these plants are on sale, Taylor.
I know, this one's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, that's just your classic.
Yeah, I've never had one of these.
Yeah, that's your classic
before.
spider plant. I think you need that one.
That's cute.
Yeah.
That's my little stash right there.
Oh, it is.
Oh yeah. I think that one's
This
very
one will
cute.
actually go in the green pot that we have over there at my house. That's empty.
Okay, the one that's empty.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that is just
Very
classic. Yeah, classic airplane plant. So did those when I was in high school. Airplane plants or spider plants? I can't remember what they were. I'm really having to dig deep into the recesses. I've done so many outdoor plants, I've forgotten my indoor plants, Taylor. Okay, so this is the owner of the store.
Oh, I'm not the
okay, anyhow, she is the proprietor here right now, and this is basically what we decided on. All of these, mostly succulents. I especially like this last little combo here of this tiny little cashpo with a jade plant in it. Okay, so would you give them some general tips on how to take care of these?
Mm-hmm. Yep, and so you'll also go home with really detailed care card that's going to tell you about all of them. The snake plant in particular, but all of these besides the spider plant, really happy, kind of go light on the water, wait until they start to either get a little soft or look a little kind of shrivelly.
Just by like touching it.
Okay. Yeah, if you give the leaves kind of a little squeeze, you'll kind of feel when they feel almost like empty.
So he's been watering them, his succulents, once a week.
Is that too much?
Totally depends on how much light you have
It's
and how hot your place is.
Yeah, so it's like almost a floor to ceiling window, and it's in the morning. It probably gets like direct sunlight for like
A
couple hours, and then it kind of goes behind the building, and it still like gets sunlight.
But it has bright light,
Yeah.
even when
Lots of
it's not
natural
direct
lights.
sun, but it's got bright light. Okay.
Yeah, so I would say give the leaves a test.
Okay.
But once a week certainly may be appropriate
Okay.
if that's how quickly they're drying out.
Yep.
These guys are a little bit more prone to overwatering than the normal spider plants.
Okay.
So you're gonna go a little lighter on the water than what the care info says. But you'll start to notice they'll get a little pale
Okay.
and droopy if it gets really thirsty. So err on the side of let it get a little thirstier
Okay.
rather than watering too much.
Are those also called airplane plants? I think
they may be.
back
I
in the
don't know.
70s they were also called airplane
Oh,
plants
really?
because of the little spiders that they put out, but they also kind of look like little
Yeah.
little airplanes. So
And
okay.
then with all these guys, smaller pot, way better.
Okay.
Keep them nice and cozy.
Yep.
This one basically will hulk out of its pot when it's ready to be free.
Okay.
So wait until you start being worried it's actually going to break your pot.
Okay. Okay.
Anything before that, it is so happy to be nice and cozy.
Sweet.
Okay, well, ring us
We're
up.
excited. Thank you.
So we went plant shopping and now we're hanging out in their cool loft apartment. There's my son. More importantly, Goose, come here. Come here, Goo. There is our grandpup Goose, and this loft apartment is so cool. It's in downtown Denver, and it is 1 block from Rocky Stadium. And when we fly in, all we have to do is just catch the train, and we take it to Union Station, and they're literally like 2 blocks away. So Taylor, I love all of your
Yes, we're so
your new outfits.
excited.
I know, how cute. So look, she does have all of her care cards. This is the difference between going to, like you and I were talking, going to an independent, cute little plant store and just going to like a big box store, because she told you how to take care of them. You've got plant cards. I mean, how cute. And
pottery.
I know, cool pottery. That's your favorite one, isn't
Yeah,
it?
Jamie picked this one out.
I love it. And that's the Sansevieria, but we're not going to call it mother-in-law's tongue, are we? Are we, daughter-in-law to be?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Okay, so everything looks so cute. So we're going to stage after we have dinner, because Tay and Jay, as we call them, are going to make us BoHo shrimp tacos for dinner. Am I right?
Yes.
And so they've got some tunes on, and it's just so fun. It's been,
So long.
I know,
You
it's been
guys
like, how
able to
long?
come.
I know, like over a year. So we're just so thrilled to be here. But this is such a cool place. And I just wanted to show you kind of the vibe that they've got going here, because it's just, it is a young, hip, single couple's dream, I think. So Tay, this is like so retro. We've got the monkeys on. I really feel like it's a flashback to when I did this very same thing in my apartment and in my dorm room when I was younger. Okay, so tell everybody what your inspiration was.
Yeah, so we got this really cool map. It's like a grid of Dallas because we used to live there on Etsy, and so we love all the colors. So we've been trying to keep that same aesthetic with like the blues, and so these are our little house plants, and we went shopping again today. So I'll introduce you to our new.
Okay, now first tell me, did you get those pots over time, or did you get both of them at the same time?
No,
or do you like collect them as time goes by?
Collect them as we go. Like my grandma gave us this one, and it was perfect. And we, you know, kind of just any different city we go to, there are plant shops there. We kind of just slowly collect different.
Okay, it's your thing.
things.
It's your thing to do. Okay, so now tell me about the new members of your family, because she and Jamie, you have the sweetest practice of naming all of your house plants.
Yes,
and
that's Jamie's favorite part. He loves to name our house plants. So this one we got today, Jamie named her Nani. Very abstract. Love the pottery here.
Yeah.
And this one's very low maintenance to take care of.
So now does Jamie always get to name them, or do you sometimes get to put in your 2 cents?
We collaborate.
Okay.
We
so there's no friction in the household.
Yes, exactly. And then this one's a really cute one. We saw this pot and this cute little plant to put in.
Okay, so tell everybody what the person there said about it when you came up with that combination.
Yeah, so we went to this cute little store today, and she was like, oh my gosh, I didn't even think about that. I'm putting it on my Instagram. That is a perfect match.
Yeah,
so very cute. And then these ones, I think I've introduced you guys before, but we got these in Salida. They don't have drainage, but I just take them out of their little plastic container and water them.
And then put them back in. Now look, the whatever it's called doesn't fall far from the tree, because look, she's topped her stuff in gravel, and very appropriately in white gravel, because it really sets off the little ceramic pots.
And then this one also I got today. We've had this cute little pot. Jamie named this one Mo and Curly.
The pot is Mo and the plant is Curly.
Yes, we got this cute little spider plant today.
Isn't he the clever one?
Yes, very clever.
Okay.
And then Linda also showed me how to propagate this pothos. So I got this cute little stand, and we just snipped little
like
cuttings.
Little laboratory bottles. So yes, you'll have some. And then last Christmas, was it last Christmas or Christmas before last?
Yeah, I think.
Wow,
it's been
Christmas
2
before
years,
last.
Yeah.
That I gave you guys this bamboo plant stand from Gardener Supply, and you put these fun little fairy lights on it.
Yes, love it.
Okay.
And then-
love this pot on top. This one. Now which?
Yeah, this thing's grown a lot.
That's an aloe vera. Now which one did you name Vera?
That's Vera Wang.
Oh, that's Vera Wang.
Okay. And this aloe vera is Cha Cha
Okay.
down here.
Now, Cha-Cha is kind of hidden down here. She needs to be,
I know.
she kind of needs to be more front and center. Oh, so, and this is your blue palette over here. Oh, what's this face one?
Oh, this one I got at a local, just like a flower shop, and then we just put some lavender in it. Very Pablo Picasso.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay, and you've got your little library that you're building of houseplant books.
Yes, and then we got this little guy today, and his name is Pico.
Pico. Well, I think your entire vignette here is absolutely charming. Let me see if I can get backwards without tripping. And you just told me that you guys are really, really careful about not making any spots on the floor. So you've got like, I don't know, probably cork pads or something under them to
exactly.
protect the floor. But the quality of light, I'm so envious because the quality of light here is absolutely spectacular. So you could grow just about anything here. And then also last Christmas I got you, what was the thing that I got you to grow the herbs and stuff?
Oh yes, the arrow plants, the arrow garden.
Okay.
We've used that in our kitchen just to grow different assortments of herbs. Right now we're growing some basil in there, so we used to cook with.
So it's really fun, and it's just I have always said that houseplants were my gateway drug to gardening, and this just so reminds me of when I was as young as you guys. It brings back lots of fun memories.
Well, we're having so much fun with it. And Goose loves all of her siblings.
Yes, and Goose loves her siblings. Thanks, Taylor.
Thank you.